I'm getting ready to clean the cage and vacuum in their area again. The reason why I share these videos, I just want to stress again the importance of being patient when you bring in a parrot. Now, cockatiels and budgies are in the parrot family. Just to FYI, so no one don't say they're not parrots. They are. They may not be as as vocal as their bigger cousins, but they can be. This is Francine. She's the newest addition to the family. She can scream really, really loud. So again, if you're thinking about buying anything, any bird, that would be for any bird, not just so much parrots, but do research. Ask people about it. Look on YouTube. Talk to people who own birds. You have to be very patient in everything. And some of these birds are not hand tame. So when you get them from the pet store, they're going to be traumatized. Because sometimes the employees in the pet store, they have to use a net to take them out. And that can be very traumatizing for them. And that's what happened. Don't have a good picture of him, but that's what happened with Snow. They had to take a net to take him out. And I had to do a lot of coaching when he first came here. Then plus, it was like the next day, the fire alarms went off in my apartment. I could not get him out of the cage. I tried, and I realized I'm going to hurt him more, so I left him in a cage. And it took him a while before he would trust me. He's getting better. He's starting to sing, and he'll eat from my hand. And that little budgie in the back, that's Samuel. He'll eat from my hand if he sees Snow doing it. I know people say that you should only train a bird one at a time. And it's like, okay, I'm gonna get them all training 5 at a time. It's going to take patience, but I believe I can do it. And with the help of the Lord, I will do it. And I'm just going to take my time. Birds are messy, they're loud, and once they bond to you, they will scream when you leave the room. They might scream if you get up from the chair you're sitting next to them, and you have to rush over and comfort them. I just want to let you know about all of this. And yes, they're messy. And I ask them every morning, please let me sleep in. They get up at 5, 6, 7, whenever they want to. They go to sleep when they want to. I have dealt with birds on and off for the past, I would say, 40 years. I used to cover them in the past. It didn't do any good. They still make noise. I said, would you be quiet? It'd be like they were whispering. Birds defy you. They don't listen to you. They do things their way. But you know what? They can give you so much joy. They can make you happy. Right now, these guys are not tame, but you know what? I enjoy watching them fly around in the cage. I enjoy them watching fly back and forth from the cage and around the house. And one day, I will be enjoying the day when they fly and land on my shoulder. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or anything, please leave them in the comments, and I'll get back to you just as soon as I can. By the look of this cage, it might be a day or so. Thank you. Goodbye.